first we have to use a 3/8 bit, drill through so that we can fit the jigsaw in. Once we got the jigsaw in, then we just follow the outline all the way around. At some points the blade got super hot, so I have to swap blades. And then from there, we're done. Okay, so we just cut the cutout for the sink and ran into some problems, but how to go about this, we first measured below because there's a little 2x4, kind of 2x4 piece of wood that runs across this way. Okay, so we wanted to dodge that, so I drilled a hole from bottom and up right against that piece of wood so that I could see where the holes are at. I messed up this one here because it's a little too far out, so I drilled one on the side, drilled one right here, so I figure out where the edges were. And then from there, turned it upside down, the sink upside down, traced out where it should be, measured how deep this part was, or measured how deep the lip is. And based on how deep that lip is, I remeasured the inside diameter of where I should go. So I drew the outline, drilled the big hole with drilled the hole with the 3/8 bit, and then what we did was use a jigsaw to go all the way around. Okay, so once we're done, this is now ready. Drop it in. We're good to go.